Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjin. Today I'm going to cook a very simple vegetarian dish, stir-fried loofah with tofu. So I have about 800 grams of loofah or ankle-got, 1 piece of firm tofu, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of mushroom sauce. This is the vegetarian sauce. This is how it looks like. And I have 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. This is very simple. I'm going to start off with cutting the tofu and also the loofah. If you want, you can remove all the green color, but if just a bit here and there, it's okay. Because the skin also can be eaten. So I'm going to cut it into half. So we're going to cut the loofah into about this size. I'm just going to cut it 3 at one time, like that. Alright, loofah is ready. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan. 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Oil is hot. I'm going to fry the tofu first. Tofu is done. Put it aside. And there is a lot of oil here. I'm going to remove some of the oil from the pan first. So I left about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, and we're going to put in all the loofah. Give it a stir. If it's too dry, you can add in just a little bit of water. I put in just about 3 tablespoons of water. Now we're going to put in all the seasoning, salt, pepper, sesame seed oil, and mushroom sauce. By right, loofah, they contain a lot of water, so they will release water later on. Just give it a stir. I'm going to cover the lid and let it cook for about 2 minutes. But if you want it crunchy, you can just cook it for about 1 minute will do. Alright, loofah is ready. You can give it a taste. Wow, delicious. Very nice fragrance of the mushroom sauce. If you want to add any more seasoning at this stage, you can do so. But for this one, it's enough taste and enough flavor. I'm going to switch off the heat and we're going to add in the tofu. Just keep a bit for garnishing. Give it a mix. Very simple vegetarian dish. This is best served immediately once it's cooked. So I'm going to dish out and serve. Let's try the tofu. Wow, very delicious. The loofah is cooked just perfectly. It's very crunchy and very sweet. Tofu is crispy. It's really delicious. You should give it a try. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.